Magnetic field of a long wire. So, to first understand what the magnetic field is, you have to understand the definition. So basically what a magnetic field is, it arises from charges. Similar to electric fields, but are different in the charges that they have to be moving. A long straight wire carrying a current is the simplest example of a moving charge that generates a magnetic field. The force of a charge felt when moving through a magnetic field depends on the right-hand rule. The direction of the magnetic field due to the moving charges will also depend on the right-hand rule. For the case of a long straight wire carrying a current I, the magnetic field lines wrap around the wire. By pointing one's right thumb along the direction of the current, the direction of the magnetic field can be found by curving one's fingers around the wire. So, for example, this would be drawing a long straight wire like this that has current going in a counterclockwise motion. You can infer by the right-hand rule that the current is going up. So, magnetic field follows the equation B alpha I over R, which translates to B equals MO I divided by 2 pi R, where R is the distance, I is the current, and MO is the permeability of free space, which follows the equation. It is a constant, so it's going to be 4 pi times 10 to the negative 7. Okay, so an example of this, following our first example, we'll say an electric wire in the wall carries 35 amps upward, amps of current upward. What is the magnetic field at point P when P is 0.2 meters away from the wire? Okay, so to break this down, you know you're given I equals 35 and R equals 0.2 meters. So, since you already have a constant, all you gotta do is direct substitution. So B, because you're looking for magnetic field, B equals MO times 35 over 2 pi times 0.2. So when you keep breaking this down, you should get B equals 4 pi times 10 to the negative 7, 35 over 2 pi times 0.2. Now, you can infer that since there are 2 pi's in both the numerator and denominator, that you can cancel these out, so this cancels out. So B equals 4 times 10 to the negative 7 times 35 over 2 times 0.2. So B equals, pause video.